Welcome to my channel NeoTech-Lens, your ultimate lens into the world of technology, bringing you the latest updates, groundbreaking innovations, and future-shaping trends. From cool gadgets to tech insights, we've got it all. Let's tech it up and explore the future together.
The universe is full of wonders. We have explored the vast expanse of space. Now, we are venturing into the equally fascinating realm of artificial intelligence. AI is no longer science fiction. It's here. It's changing our world. Foxconn, a giant in electronics manufacturing, steps into this arena with FoxBrain. This powerful AI system is poised to revolutionize the way we make things. Fasten your seatbelts. We're about to embark on an exciting journey into the future of manufacturing. The world is changing. AI is the driving force. Manufacturing, the backbone of our civilization, is undergoing a massive transformation. Foxconn, with its innovative spirit, is at the forefront of this revolution. FoxBrain is not just another AI, it's a game changer. FoxBrain isn't just a name, it's a statement. It's Foxconn's brainchild, an AI system designed specifically for manufacturing. Imagine a system that learns from every step in the manufacturing process. It analyzes data, it identifies patterns, then it makes intelligent decisions. That's FoxBrain in a nutshell. But there's more. FoxBrain is deeply integrated into Foxconn's vast ecosystem. This gives it a unique edge. Think of the massive amounts of data generated by Foxconn's factories. FoxBrain thrives on this data. It's constantly learning, adapting, and evolving. This is not your everyday AI. FoxBrain is a specialist. It thrives in the complex world of manufacturing. Its algorithms are fine-tuned for this specific purpose. This makes FoxBrain incredibly efficient at what it does. So, how does this technological marvel actually work? It all starts with data, mountains of it. FoxBrain is trained on a colossal dataset. This data comes from various sources. Sensors, machines, and even human experts contribute to this knowledge pool. FoxBrain doesn't just hoard data, it devours it. Using sophisticated algorithms, it sifts through this ocean of information. It identifies patterns, it learns from past mistakes, and it uses this knowledge to make intelligent decisions in real time. But FoxBrain is more than just a data cruncher. It's a decision maker. It can optimize production lines, predict potential failures, and even control robots with incredible precision. Now, you might be wondering, how does FoxBrain stack up against the big names in AI? You know, the GPT-4s, the Google Geminis, the Anthropic Claudes of the world. These are all impressive AIs, no doubt, but they are generalists. FoxBrain, on the other hand, is a specialist. It's the manufacturing maestro. It's like comparing a seasoned engineer to a bright but inexperienced intern. Both have their strengths, but when it comes to the factory floor, FoxBrain reigns supreme. Imagine a world where factories are smarter, where machines talk to each other, where production flows smoothly, like a well-choreographed dance. That's the world FoxBrain is building. Section 5. FoxBrain in action, revolutionizing manufacturing processes. Let's step onto the factory floor. We see robotic arms moving with precision, guided by FoxBrain's invisible hand. This is the power of AI in action. FoxBrain monitors every step of the production process. It identifies bottlenecks. It optimizes workflows. It ensures that every product meets the highest standards. But it doesn't stop there. FoxBrain can also predict potential problems before they even occur. This is called predictive maintenance. Imagine a machine about to fail. FoxBrain senses it. It alerts technicians, and they fix it before it causes any costly downtime. This is the future of manufacturing. A future where machines are not just tools, but intelligent partners. And Foxconn, with FoxBrain, is leading the charge. Section 6. The Supply Chain Whisperer. FoxBrain's predictive prowess. The manufacturing process doesn't end on the factory floor. It extends far beyond, into the complex world of supply chains. And guess what? FoxBrain excels here too. It analyzes data from suppliers, shipping routes, and even weather patterns. It uses this information to predict potential disruptions. Imagine a world where supply chains are no longer vulnerable to unforeseen events. FoxBrain makes this possible. It helps businesses optimize their inventories, reduce waste, and ensure that products reach their destinations on time, every time. This is the power of AI-driven insights. FoxBrain doesn't just react to problems, it anticipates them. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you the future of your supply chain. Section 7. Navigating the ethical landscape, challenges and controversies. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of AI, especially a system as powerful as FoxBrain, raises important ethical questions. What about data privacy? What about job displacement? These are valid concerns that we must address. Foxconn understands these challenges. They are committed to using FoxBrain responsibly. They are investing in robust data security measures. They are also exploring ways to retrain their workforce, equipping them with the skills needed to thrive in this new era of AI-driven manufacturing. The future of AI is not about replacing humans. It's about augmenting human capabilities. It's about creating a world where humans and AI work together, each leveraging their unique strengths to build a better tomorrow. Section 8. The future of FoxBrain, expanding horizons in AI and manufacturing. The journey of FoxBrain is just beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve at a breakneck pace, so too will FoxBrain. We can expect to see even more sophisticated algorithms, even more powerful data processing capabilities, and even more innovative applications in the years to come. Imagine a world where FoxBrain is not just confined to manufacturing. Imagine it being used to optimize traffic flow in cities, to develop new life-saving drugs, to personalize education for every student. The possibilities are limitless. FoxBrain is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a beacon, guiding us towards a future where technology empowers us to solve our greatest challenges and create a more sustainable, equitable, and prosperous world for all. Section 9. Conclusion. A new era of intelligent automation. The AI revolution is upon us. Foxconn, with its groundbreaking FoxBrain, is leading the charge in the realm of manufacturing. This is not just about making things faster or cheaper. It's about creating a smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable future. As we stand at the cusp of this new era of intelligent automation, one thing is clear. The future belongs to those who embrace innovation, who are willing to challenge the status quo, and who dare to dream big. Foxconn, with FoxBrain, has shown us what's possible. Now, it's up to all of us to ensure that this technology is used for the betterment of humanity. The universe is full of wonders, and AI is one of them. Let's explore it wisely, responsibly, and together.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.